Welcome one and all, this is Shomodi Pudutundo back here today with national weather prediction for next 3 days. What is going to happen in India? Let's see. Moving on for the first segment, that is the satellite image observation. For the present analysis, we can easily understand that in case of North Indian sector, because of the impact of cyclonic circulation adjoining to Pakistan, may bring about possibly more rainfall in case of the northern sectors, while another circulation been marked near the coastline of Colombo, which is possibly bringing more rainfall because of its indirect effect towards Tamil Nadu, Kerala and adjoining coastlines, while another circulation being prevailing over adjoining to Cochin on the Arabian Sea sectors, that is also a cyclonic circulation which is also possibly aggravating the condition of South Indian rainfall in next 24 hours. While in case of northeast and eastern zones of India, a heavy fog will be marked visible in next 24 hours. In the upcoming morning hours, the visibility may trend to down so low such that there will be no possibly visibility in early morning hours. During the traffic as well as other metropolitan activities should be considered in this case. Because of this active fog alert in case of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal as well as Arunachal Pradesh and Upper Assam as well as including Meghalaya area, a huge amount of fog will be created, which is a very quite warning in this particular period of time. Moving on to the next, for the North Indian sector study, in North Indian sector a spotty rainfall coverage which is approximately increasing in 24 hours trend in case of Uttarakhand and adjoining area, while Jammu Kashmir will see a snowfall condition which is isolated, very isolated condition, while other sectors of North India will experience a clear condition, while the Uttar Pradesh and adjoining areas will be seeing a coverage of fog in early morning hours in next 72 hours, while the cities which is getting its maximum and minimum temperature are as follows. Delhi giving a maximum temperature of 20 degrees Celsius while 9 degrees Celsius as minimum, and a clear sky condition will be prevailing in our capital, while Srinagar getting 8 degrees Celsius as maximum and minus 7 degrees Celsius as minimum, and a clear sky condition will be prevailing in case of Srinagar. While in case of Shimla, a partly cloudy condition will be prevailing, though there will be watch of sun in that case with 10 degrees Celsius as maximum and 2 degrees Celsius as minimum, while in Lucknow getting 22 degrees Celsius quite high with a clear sky condition with 11 degrees Celsius as minimum, while Jaipur getting 21 degrees Celsius as maximum, 9 degrees Celsius as minimum respectively with a clear sky condition, while Bhopal is also getting a clear sky condition with 24 degrees Celsius as maximum and 13 degrees Celsius as minimum temperature. Moving on to the South Indian sectors, an isolated coverage of clouds will be seen in case of South Indian states adjoining to Kerala and Tamil Nadu, while bringing a isolated rainfall in Tamil Nadu and Kerala coasts and coastlines in upcoming 24 to 48 hours, while this particular rainfall being gradually increasing because of the system movement towards inside of the southline coasts and bringing or may bring possibly isolated cloud coverage in all the places of coastal adjoining Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu as well as Kerala and Karnataka, while the cities showing with their temperature are given as follow, with Visakhapatnam at 30 degrees Celsius, Chennai with 30 degrees Celsius as maximum, both showing a 30 degrees Celsius temperature, while Bhubaneswar is also showing a 30 degrees Celsius as maximum temperature, while minimum temperature will be present between 18 to 20 degrees Celsius in these three states, while in case of Bangalore, Mumbai and Goa will be getting a highest temperature of 36 to 35 degrees Celsius as maximum and minimum temperature as 20 degrees Celsius as recorded, though Bhubaneswar and Bangalore will be getting a suboptimal temperature scale with 15 to 19 degrees Celsius as minimum temperature, though a clear sky condition will be majorly prevailing in these cases in next 24 hours. While moving on to the eastern sector in India, as I said, in eastern sector, though the weather will be calm, but because of the upcoming fog activity, a major loss of agriculture as well as climatological aspects due to visibility and AQI will be marked seen in the states with the names of Bihar, then Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, that is Gangetic West Bengal, isolated parts, as well as the overall North Bengal. while Meghalaya, Upper Assam, as well as Arunachal Pradesh and isolated places of Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura and Nagaland in early morning phases. But though comparatively less fog will be seen in these places, rather in comparison with Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam in Seven Sisters. While moving on to the cities, getting temperature of Kolkata getting 30 degrees Celsius as maximum and 17 degrees Celsius as minimum, and a clear sky condition is prevailing in that place. Patna getting 23 degrees Celsius and 12 degrees Celsius as minimum. Ranchi getting 29 degrees Celsius as maximum, 14 degrees Celsius as minimum. While Guwahati is experiencing a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius as maximum, 14 degrees Celsius as minimum. Imphal is getting 25 degrees Celsius as maximum, 10 degrees Celsius as minimum. Gangtok is getting a temperature of 15 degrees Celsius as maximum and 6 degrees Celsius as minimum as predicted, while the major places will be seeing a clear sky condition, though early morning fog will be a very limiting factor in these cases. Moving on for the next summarizing report on temperature for the pan-Indian context, the overall temperature will be marked low in case of North India, while a moderate climatic effect will be seen in case of Central India, as well as South Indian coast will be experiencing more higher temperatures in upcoming days because of the isolated rainfall, and because of the fog activity also Eastern Indian zone will be also getting heated up, and this heating effect will be from tomorrow only will be marked seen, as maximum temperature is trying to induce till 30 degrees Celsius in case of Kolkata and adjoining areas in upcoming 24 hours. So this particular fog belt is going to increase the temperature in Eastern Indian zone, while this temperature fluctuation will be possibly bringing more temperature drip in case of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh areas, and those areas will be seeing a particular very low temperature marked scale of 8 to 9 degrees Celsius till 7 degrees Celsius dripping. Moving on to the latest 24 hours and the last, who are the most toppest temperature with the minimum temperature being recorded in India, let's watch. Padam with minus 21 degrees Celsius and Nyoma with minus 18.2 degrees Celsius, Dras with minus 18.0 degrees Celsius, Leh with minus 15.8 degrees Celsius, Sokma with minus 11.7 degrees Celsius, Tangsei with minus 11.2 degrees Celsius, Kargil with minus 10.3 degrees Celsius, Tabo with minus 7.4 degrees Celsius, Sonmarg with minus 7.4 degrees Celsius, Gupis with minus 6 degrees Celsius. So we can say that it is a very good time for the snow lovers to venture towards North India in these cases. In upcoming 3 days, so you all can visit North India, because a good climatic activity will be seen and the isolated rainfall though will be marked present in 24 hours, but gradually the weather will be clear in those cases. No such rainfall will be marked seen in the next 72 hours. Moving on to the next, that is for the cumulative study for how much amount of rainfall being accumulated in the pan-India in next 24 hours will be marked present as a possibility scale of 0 to 20 millimeter rainfall approximation in case of the North Indian sectors including Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh, while Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry as well as Kerala is also going to experience a light coverage of rainfall, with Lakshadweep and Andaman too is getting a light coverage of rainfall. Otherwise there is no rainfall activity in Central India and Eastern Indian zone. Moving on to the next, that is for the weather alert for next 3 days with a possible combination of thunderstorm activity which is marked by yellow color in case of in case of Tamil Nadu, Kerala and as well as Pondicherry will be getting a thunderstorm activity because of the possibly presence of a cyclonic circulation in the coastline of Colombo. With fog condition in case of Uttar Pradesh, isolated places of Rajasthan, Bihar, West Bengal as well as Seven Sisters states will be seeing fog in the early morning phases, while a cold day temperature will be experienced in case of Ladakh as well as in case of Himachal Pradesh and adjoining states. While moving on for the most weather good related updates for Prayagraj, as we are going to visit in because of this upcoming festival which is going on for this in Prayagraj, the temperature will be getting in 24th January as 14 degrees Celsius and then in 25th January as 10 degrees Celsius with a clear sky condition. In possibly for the next 26th January 2 is getting 8 degrees Celsius with 27th January as 7 degrees Celsius, 28th January as 8 degrees Celsius, 29th January with 10 degrees Celsius. So such a quite low temperature will be marked in case of Kumbh Mela, and a clear sky condition will be marked visible. So a good Kumbh Mela will be seen by India in this festive season. So all the tourists are requested to visit there and enjoy this MahaKumbh festival. To get more weather related updates, stay connected with us. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and Facebook page. Thank you.